step-by-step back to school for adolescent mothers. This August, something powerful is happening on Mount Kenya. 5 young mothers, together with youth advocates, medical doctors, and supporters, will climb the mountain step by step. It is not just a physical challenge. It's a journey to raise awareness about adolescent pregnancy, HIV prevention, and sexual and reproductive health. Along the climb, real conversations will take place. Through interviews and shared stories, voices often unheard will be brought forward. Because prevention starts with awareness, and awareness starts with listening. But this journey goes further. The funds raised through this campaign will directly support 50 adolescent mothers returning to school, 20 community caravans for sexual and reproductive health education, 100 school and community dialogues to promote prevention and awareness. This is about more than a climb. It's about creating real opportunities. It's about ensuring that becoming a mother does not mean the end of education. Every step on the mountain is a step towards dignity, knowledge, and possibility. You can be part of this journey. Your contribution, no matter the size, helps turn steps into impact, helps turn awareness into action, helps turn stories into futures. Step by step, we move forward together.